proverb is used to talk about people that do things under a guise. Now it could be a positive guise or a negative guise. Àáyá fẹ́ gígùn tẹ́lẹ̀ ni kíkù màná rẹ̀ kó tó bọ́ há. Àáyá fẹ́ gígùn tẹ́lẹ̀ ni kíkù màná rẹ̀ kó tó bọ́ há. The monkey has intention to climb the tree before the club of its in-law got stuck on the tree. Monkey don't have in-laws, definitely. But Yoruba use that animal to express, to teach us a particular wisdom. Now, let's now say monkey is beside its in-law, and the in-law is trying to pluck orange from a tree, and that's the club is throwing to the orange got stuck. We all know that monkey will jump on the tree as though it was trying to help the in-law, whereas it's always the pleasure of the monkey to do that. That proverb can easily calm someone down from expressing so much disappointment at a friend or a neighbor who has stabbed someone at the back. Àáyá fẹ́ gígùn tẹ́lẹ̀ ni kíkù màná rẹ̀ kó tó bọ́ há.